Hey guys, it's Jenna, also known as Empty Hanger, and today we're doing one of my favorite things. That's right, it's a haul video. I went shopping, I found so much good stuff. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna be listing it all on Poshmark and or eBay. So let's get into all this amazing, cool stuff. Oh, if you like haul videos, give this a thumbs up so I know to make more like them. Okay, so I picked up about 40 or so pieces on my most recent thrift trip, and let's get into what it is. So first up we have this vintage corset bra top. It's by the brand Carnival. Brand doesn't really matter as much to me. I just love selling vintage lingerie that is in great condition. And then we have Free People. It's a knit crop top, and it's kind of tribal print with a embroidery detail throughout, and I thought that would be really good for festival season. And then on to a cachet super stretchy lace tank top, and it's got lace-up corset detail. Next is a Vince top. Vince is a higher end basics line, so this stuff, if it's in really good condition, can sell for a lot. And this is just a color block knit top. On to Free People, which I love. Free People Beach. This is an oversized burnout t-shirt. Burnout does super well. And then this black top, it's kind of like a ruched off the shoulder, super stretchy. It is Peruvian Connection, which I've never found anything but their knit stuff, but it always sells pretty well, so I'm excited to get that listed. And then another black top. This is Dolan t-shirt. It's from Anthropologie, so it's a ribbed top with these huge like puff sleeves. And then Lily Pulitzer, which is kind of hit or miss for me, but this is just a great little basic Henley top, and it's got cuffed sleeves, nice bright print. And then on to more Free People. It's like a lightweight chambray top. I really like selling chambray stuff. It's just a great basic piece. Again, another chambray top. This is Madewell, I believe size large. And I liked the lace-up detail. It's just a nice pop-over chambray. And then on to J. Crew. I used to pick up all their button-down shirts. Now I'm kind of picky, but this one I thought was a little bit unique, and it's got these like rhinestones all over it, so I think that's really pretty. And then we have a Maeve from Anthropologie top. So it's got this chambray detail. It's kind of sheer. This would be a good career style blouse. More Maeve, one of my favorite Anthropologie brands, and this one's actually a petite. It's a floral print blouse with this little pin tuck detail down the front. And then Lucky Brand. I like picking up Lucky Brand when it has this embroidery on it. Also in bigger sizes, I think it does really well. So this is a great peasant style boho blouse. And then another Lucky Brand piece. This is plus size 1X, and it's got this great print, and it's very like loose and oversized. And then another vintage cachet piece. This is super vintage. It's a sheer bodysuit, so it's kind of high cut, and it has the bodysuit down there, which bodysuits are really popular right now, so it's a vintage piece that's current style. And then this is a great brand for eBay, exclusively Masuk. It's a travel knit line, so it's really great quality. You can definitely tell when you feel it. And it's a short sleeve button front jacket. Along those same lines, I have a St. John piece. This is also great for eBay. It's kind of a bright yellow color. It does have a tiny spot. I could not get out of it, but hardly noticeable, and it's a really nice jacket. And then on to another sweater. It's Free People. I've sold one very similar to this before, but you can tell it's just a huge dolman sleeve, kind of cropped, just oversized. Again, oversized is great for Free People. I thought this sweater was really pretty, and when I touched it, I knew it was cashmere. So it is a 100% cashmere sweater. It's Saks Fifth Avenue, and I really like that big bow on the front. Onto a cardigan, nice and bright for spring. It's Eileen Fisher Woman, so it's a plus size. It's 3X, and it's a great lightweight cardigan for springtime. Another cardigan, this one is J. McLaughlin, and it is, I believe this is merino wool, but it's got this great chain detail, and it's open front, so I think that's just kind of like a classic piece. Found lots of sweaters this trip. Another cashmere piece. So this is Vince, 100% cashmere, and it's a oversized poncho top. So it's very big, and it's, I think it has a size, but it really could fit any size, medium, large. Another poncho style top. This one is Moth from Anthropologie, and it's got like a linen top and then the sweatshirt kind of bottom. I have never seen anything like that from Anthropologie. I thought that was cool. And then this brand, I have never really picked it up before, Fabletics, but it was new with tags and it had the price tag. It was retail $90, and it's an athletic style dress, which I like athletic dresses. And it's got this cool perforated material, so it's black with the nude lining. I just thought that was really chic, kind of on the athleisure trend. And then onto more dresses. So this is a Free People dress. It's floral and it's got this like halter style neckline, just pretty. And then if you guys watched my last haul, I found something else by this brand. So this is Betty Page by Tatyana. So I found a Tatyana dress once before, didn't know what it was, and now I know to look for it. So this is a 2X XXL, and it's just like a pinup style retro dress, kind of sailor inspired. This belt goes around the waist, obviously, and it's got that detail in the back. And then we're going to move on to Tatyana. Tatyana is sold at Anthropologie as well as other like high-end boutiques. And this is a silk tunic. It's got an elephant print and it's kind of like elasticized around the waist. And then the back has some paisley on it. This dress, it's the window pane grid print, which is kind of a classic print, and it's J. Crew Factory. The 2 dots means it's factory, but it's a size 10. And again, that print, I think it'll do well. Okay, on to bottoms. This super bright orange skirt is a St. John knit skirt. So again, St. John is great quality, great for eBay. Picked up some Lululemon little printed workout shorts. I think those are size 8. Also found a Lululemon skirt. This pleated one is really popular. They don't make it anymore. It's called the Pace Setter skirt. And then we also have some Patagonia shorts. So just some classic women's Patagonia shorts. I found these Lululemon Capris and I wish they were my size, but they're not. I think they're the Align Capri and they are a size 10. I love the color on those. And then one pair of jeans. They are Pilcro in the letterpress, which is from Anthropologie, size 29. And they're just like a really distressed light boyfriend jean. Great for summer. This piece I love. It's by Sailor, which they sell it at Anthropologie as well as Free People, I believe. Let me find the label. There we go. It's just a paisley maxi dress. It's got like a tie and some tassels, and it's just really beautiful. Another maxi dress, again, paisley print, kind of bohemian, and this one is Some Days Lovin', which they sell at Urban Outfitters as well as some other places like Revolve, I believe, sells it as well. It's a good Australian brand. And then Tommy Bahama, this is a men's, so we're on a men's. This is a men's Hawaiian shirt. I do like to pick up the men's Tommy Bahama Hawaiian shirts, especially if they're silk. This one has a cool print on it. Also De Segal, I like to pick up those men's shirts, so they're just kind of like a crazy graphic pattern, plaid. It's got the logo embroidery on it. And then I found 2 vintage sweatshirts. So this one is a Breckenridge, Colorado ski sweatshirt, stripe. It's got this little MVP patch, excellent condition. And then a Houston Texans vintage Lee Sport sweatshirt, also men's, kind of oversized. I really like the stripes on the sleeves. And then the final piece is a men's vintage Guess USA classic style, like acid wash 80s denim jacket. So I just think that's super cool. So that's it for my most recent thrift trip and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to get it all listed so I get to go shopping again. Bye guys.